Ever pondered how a computer manages to organize a jumble of data into a neat, orderly sequence? Welcome to the domain of sorting algorithms, a fundamental concept in computer science. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind one of the most efficient sorting algorithms, known as merge sort. Sorting algorithms are the unsung heroes of our digital world, working behind the scenes to bring order to chaos. Picture this. You have a jumbled list of numbers and you need them sorted from smallest to largest. That's where sorting algorithms step in, arranging data into a specific order, making it easier for us to understand and use. Now, on to the star of today's show, merge sort. This is a classic example of a divide and conquer algorithm. It functions by recursively breaking down a list into smaller sublists until each sublist has only one element. It then merges these sublists back together in a sorted order. Sounds tricky? Think of it like this. Imagine a messy bookshelf, books scattered everywhere. To organize it, you divide the books into smaller groups, maybe by genre, sort each group individually, and then merge them back together in an organized fashion. That's merge sort in action. When it comes to coding merge sort in Python, it's a straightforward process. Start by defining a merge sort function that takes an array as input. Recursively divide this array into halves until you're left with single-element subarrays. Then, merge these subarrays back together in sorted order. Output. But where does merge sort come into play in the real world? It finds its applications in a variety of scenarios, such as sorting huge data sets, like organizing names in a phone book, arranging files in a computer's file system, or even in data analysis. If you're preparing for coding interviews or love solving algorithmic problems, merge sort can be quite useful. Many coding platforms like LeetCode often present sorting problems where merge sort can be a practical solution. For instance, consider a problem where you need to sort an array of integers in ascending order. Merge sort can efficiently tackle such problems with its divide and conquer approach. To give you a taste of implementing merge sort, here's a simple problem. Given an array, sorted in ascending order. And there you have it. Merge sort, a powerful and efficient sorting algorithm that can be used in real-world scenarios and coding platforms alike. To recap, today we explored the concept, implementation, and applications of merge sort. We learned how it uses a divide and conquer approach to sort data, how to code it in Python, and where it finds its real-world applications. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of merge sort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy coding!